What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Elevation Off Grid. Today we have a very first of its kind truck delivery to share with you all. So earlier this week we delivered our very first 2023 Ram 5500 pickup. You may have seen in a previous video we delivered a 2023 Ram, but that actually stayed as a chassis, getting prepped for flatbed install and a camper being put on it. This is our very first pickup that we have built for the 2023 Rams. As I'm sure most of you know by now, we are the only manufacturers in the world of the Ram 5500 pickups and the Ford F550 pickups. We make these beds in-house, factory spec, with 8-foot interior dimensions. This Ram came out immaculate. Our client opted for our onboard air package so he can air his tires up and down right from connections in the wheel well. Even went with an absolutely ridiculous air horn. Check it out.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold up, Q. Yeah. Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the Lion's Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gon' need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement, Damn, baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations? And I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I take away they maiden, but sorry I'm taking me and my lady mating. She look me in the eyes and tell me how much she loving on my confidence, yeah. It really shouldn't be no arguments, cause you're now viewing the greatest of all time. Saying I can't get better, I promise they all lying on my confidence. Yeah, that's right. Look, I think it's time you start using your common sense. Everybody watch out, cause the bomb is lit. I got that confidence, that's right. Confidence, yeah. Confidence, that's me. Hold up, yeah. I'm sorry if I stutter. Yeah, my brain move a little faster than others.
They're like, all right, well, first things first. And when I say that, Travis is going to give him the sign to just lay on the horn. Yeah.
Kurt, you remember Jeremy?
Hey, Jeremy.
You remember Jeremy?
What's going on?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm well.
All right, Pete.
Are you ready to see your truck?
Sure.
Pete.
We might put
all right?
on.
There
you go.
Here.
I like the dark in the beginning. Come meet Kurt real quick.
So, you guys are the ones I'm supposed to tip, right?
No,
And
no,
you
no, we don't
the
accept
whole
it.
time.
No, we don't accept it. No. That's Pete.
Just a smile.
Sergio.
Hi. You guys like this one? Yeah, this guy's got my phone. I hurt my wrist on that.
My bad.
The rest of you guys are okay. This guy's a killer. Look at boots.
Yeah. He's the biggest dude. We gotta have one. I mean, they're both. I wouldn't mess with either of them. But
Either of them? He's probably the most dangerous. Oh, hey, thanks. Is this all right?
Yeah.
Should he leave so we can talk and you can really tell me what's going on?
There's nothing to say.
No? No problem. Okay. Back to you, I guess. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Hey,
I'm
thanks.
Lulu.
Go ahead.
That's
See you later,
Lulu.
buddy. You don't get in the picture, you don't match. Huh? All right, we're back to you going.
You're walking around better.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Yes, yeah.
Yours is high gloss like that?
Yep.
Okay.
Matches the grill. Well, our fair lead was actually gray. They now make this hook in black, so you got black. you don't have it engaged, it'll fall out and drag on the floor.
Got it.
Right? So now hold that.
And where are you keeping that at?
It's driver rear seat back.
Okay.
So now you'll notice nothing happens. Engage it. Try to keep this sleeve high on there. And then
I'm just going to run it flat up against it.
Yep,
No,
yep.
you're gonna turn it that way.
Yep,
Okay.
we turn it that way.
Alright.
And then the rubber guys sit against the rear lead. And we kind of try to hold a line that way. And then it's about like that, so it's tight.
Okay.
Cover.
Okay.
He has a dust cover on him right now. Twist your inflator. And that's how you air up or air down your tires. You just push this back. But
Hold
you-
the fitting back.
Yeah, you push the
And
fitting.
it'll pop it off.
You want to hold the hose when you do that. It'll fly back and hit you in the
So you
face.
two.
You look at the tire information in the door.
Yeah.
It always tells you rear higher, right?
Right.
That's to maintain the maximum payload of the truck all of the time. Higher tire pressure will wear out tires faster. Higher tire pressure also gives you a stiffer ride. A higher tire pressure is what's required when you're carrying loads. So in this truck, the front end is about 6,400 pounds.
Okay.
The rear is about 4,000, about 3,900. So less tire pressure in the rear.
I kind of like that. Okay, what are you showing me?
Fold this up.
Yeah.
Cool little compartment.
Got it.
You also have one on the other side.
Got it. And then that opens up.
Yep.
Got that.
Rear park sensor. 7-pin for your trailer.
Okay.
That one's not used. That doesn't do anything.
What is it?
It's for a trailer camera system, which is not available on the 5500. This is an OEM Ram 7. So all your sprayers are back here for your bottles. This stuff is awesome for a quick detailer. Like you get something on the truck, the truck's pretty clean. You get something on it, you want to wipe it off. Use a microfiber, saturate it with this, and wipe it. Awesome for instant detailing.
Okay.
It leaves it very nice. Won't damage the clear coat. So this is like one of our favorite products from these guys. A lot of people think it's wider because the front matches the rear.
Okay.
Rear track width on this truck is identical to a Ram 3500. So you go to a car wash, a lot of times they're like, "Oh, it's too wide. It's too wide." Can a dually fit here? If they say yes, this truck fits. Okay. PowerSteps. You want to spray them off? Put your foot on it, and it'll keep it down.
Okay.
So open, close. Don't go back in its place.
Okay.
Oh, you're good. Some people. Not all day. What's that?
Yeah, thank you. All right. I won't bother too much.
Much as you like.
Thanks. Thank you, sir. See you guys.
Have a good one.
Take care, Kurt.
Bye-bye.
All right, guys, thanks for checking out the video. With that being said, we'd like to really give a big thanks to all you guys viewing, leaving likes, comments, subscribing, everything. We've received absolutely overwhelming support and encouragement and enthusiasm since we started posting a lot more videos recently, and we're very, very grateful for that. Just wanted to say thanks, everybody, for the love and support and encouragement. Also, we're going to be releasing merch soon, so keep an eye out for t-shirts, hats, hoodies, everything you see us wearing in these videos and at shows. We're going to have a shop set up on our website, elevationoffgrid.com, along with our Instagram and TikTok, so be on the lookout for that. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell icon for notifications every time we upload a new video. We'll catch you on the next one.